Hey there tech fans, Rick here with a full review of the Wyze bulb color. This is a Wi-Fi connected LED smart bulb from Wyze that produces 1100 lumens of light in 16 million colors and can easily connect to your Wi-Fi network to provide complete control through the Wyze application or your favorite smart speaker. Now before I get too deep into the review, I'd like to start with an unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll cover the specifications, and as I go through those specifications, I'll point out a few things that you can use to compare this to other smart bulbs you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you pop open the box, you'll find the bulb and you'll find a quick start guide. Now you might already be thinking, Rick, I've been screwing light bulbs in my entire life. How complicated is this product to use? Well, it is a smart bulb and you'll need to add it to the application and activate it before it'll actually work, and that's explained in the manual. You might also want to add it to your smart speaker network if you have smart speakers at home so you can control it from there. And that way you can shout commands at your smart speaker and have the bulb obey those commands. All of that's explained in the manual. So always read through the manual to figure out how to use a product, and that way you'll get the best value out of it. All right, so the bulb itself, the first thing you're wondering about is the brightness. So 1100 lumens is a very bright bulb. Comparatively, it's about a 75 watt incandescent bulb, and in most homes you've got a 60 watt bulb and a 75 watt bulb. This is about a 75 watt bulb. Now the difference though is a 75 watt bulb in your home that's an incandescent light uses 75 watts of energy. That's a lot of energy to light that light bulb. This one produces the same amount of light, only uses 12 watts of energy. So you can do the math in your head of how much more energy you're saving by using a bulb like this. So if you did nothing more than just walk around your house and unscrew all your incandescent bulbs and screw in this smart LED bulb, you would really reduce your energy use every month. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the longevity of the bulb. Incandescent bulbs, because they burn white hot, every time you turn them on and turn them off, you're energizing that filament inside the bulb, and eventually it's going to burn out. So the average light bulb, the incandescent light bulbs in your home, typically in a room that's used on average, may last 5 years or 6 years across the board. That's not saying all the bulbs are going to blink out in 6 years, but some are going to go quicker, some are going to go longer, but about 5 or 6 years. This bulb is rated for 22.5 years. So again, think about that. It's drawing less energy. It's lasting a lot longer than the incandescent bulbs in your home. So the bulb itself is a wonderful replacement for all your incandescent bulbs and even your fluorescent bulbs in the house. A couple of the things you need to know about the bulb. So for starters, a white light bulb, there are two things you'll want to control in an LED bulb that's a white light bulb. The first thing is the brightness. So with this bulb, you have complete control to vary the brightness, and again, that's measured in lumens, from 1100 lumens all the way down to 30 lumens. So you can make it really, really dim, or you can make it full brightness at 1100 lumens. The other thing an LED bulb gives you is control over what's called the color temperature, and that's measured in kelvins. But the difference there is it's either a bright white or it's a soft white. And if you've looked for LED bulbs, they're typically measured in that way. And that's based on Kelvin. So this bulb can vary from 6500, which is a really high Kelvin number, down to 1800, which is a really soft white light. And you have complete control over that, again, through the application or through a smart speaker. So as a white light bulb, you can vary the brightness, you can vary the color temperature to find exactly what you like about the bulb. All right, so let me talk about some of the smart features, because as a bulb and a white bulb, it's going to work just like your incandescent bulbs today. It's going to be using less energy, it's going to last a lot longer, so those are both really good things. But in addition to that, it's smart. It connects to your network. So you can program it to do certain things like turn on at a given time during the day, turn off at night. You can put a vacation schedule on it where it's popping on and off at varying times during the day. So if you're away from home and there are bad guys around, they're going to see lights turning on, and you're going to scare them away. It looks like people are in the house. But more importantly, there are programs built into the application that can simulate the sunset and sunrise during the day. So the color tone of the bulb can change based on the morning or the afternoon or the evening. And that really flatters what's called your circadian rhythm, which is a natural rhythm we all have. And when we get into winter, a lot of people have a problem with the sun going down a lot sooner and, just have a hard time sort of settling into that time frame. This can help you through that. And it's built into the application, which is nice. All right, so if it was just a white bulb, that would be cool enough. But the fact that it can produce 16 million colors means that it's the perfect bulb if you're having parties or you want to add a little mood lighting to the room, or if you have kids, they just love colored light bulbs, and you can control all those colors through your smart speaker or again through your application. So it gives you the ability to have a perfect white light when you need it in a reading lamp or a desk lamp or maybe a bedside lamp, but it also has the ability to change colors maybe for holidays or parties or other things, which I think is pretty amazing. All right, so let me show you how it works. I've got a socket right here that's just the standard socket. Now, another thing that's important about the bulb This is true of all LED bulbs. You want to make sure that it connects to your Wi-Fi network, but if you lose power in the house, or if your router goes down, or if you've got it in an outlet like this that's switched in a room, it has to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network every time it turns on. So that's pretty okay during the day if the router's been up for a while because it's got its address, it'll connect to the router and you're good to go. But if the router reboots, like you've had a power failure, this has to find a new address on that network. A lot of the LED bulbs on the market have a really hard time if your router goes down. So if you lose power to the house, they're going to just sit there doing nothing. And you've got to reconnect them through the application. And if you've got 30 bulbs in the house, you could spend a lot of time running around the house reconnecting your bulbs. What Wyze has done with this one is they built in a persistence that it would come back up and it would find an available address. So if you turn off the power in the room, turn it back on, the light's going to work. It's also going to work if the router goes down and comes back up. It's going to find another address and just connect. So once you set it up, you're not going to have to worry about any of that. The other thing it does is remember the last state it was in. So for example, if you set this to a particular color, turn the room off, turned it back on, it's going to be that color. Or if you've set it to a certain brightness or a certain Kelvin setting, it's going to remember all that. A lot of the LED bulbs on the market don't do that. When you turn them on, they're going to come on full brightness white, then you have to adjust them for what you think is right. With this one, it's going to remember what you did last time, and it's going to start off right there and still give you complete control. So to prove that, I actually was fooling around with this before I started the review, and I left it on blue. So let me screw it into this outlet right here, which is live, or the socket. It takes a second to connect to the network. Boom, it's coming on blue. So it remembers, I'm simulating turning it on and off, it remembers that I had it at blue last time. Now I'll use my smart speaker to control it. Echo, studio light, green. Turns green. You can even vary the brightness. Echo, studio light, half brightness. So there you go. So you have control over the colors, over the brightness, the intensity. Echo, echo, studio light, white. And that's normally what you'll use it for. You've gotten a lamp, you're doing some reading, maybe you're in the afternoon, you've got a desk lamp set up. So let me turn it off. Echo, studio light off. Now in addition...
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try it in a little while.
Oh, I've upset her. Echo, studio light off.
Sorry,
she's not going to do it.
Trouble.
All right.
Please try it in a little
So
while.
don't blame the light, blame the echo. Anyway, it normally works perfectly fine. I just have a lot of stuff going on down here in the shop. But my point was, you can control it from your smart speaker, you can control it from the application. If you don't have any of the gadgetry, once you activate it and put it into a lamp, you can control it from the lamp. So you can turn the light on with a wall switch or turn the lamp on from the little turn on the lamp or pull a chain down. So at the end of the day, the advantages you're going to have with an LED smart bulb like this are, number one, uses less electricity, number two, lasts a lot longer, and number three, if you're adventurous, you're going to have a tremendous amount of control over what that light does. You can gang them together so a whole room will turn blue or turn green at the same time. It's just a really cool product to use, and I think Wyze as a company has built a lot of smart products. They've been around for a while, and they just have a brilliant team of engineers that work on all of their gear, and this is just going to work well for you. So I've been using them all over my house for a couple of months. I love them, and I think you're going to really like them as well. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, stay nerdy.